ECD is a new age last-mile delivery solution that utilizes smart locker technology to ensure maximum simplicity, safety, convenience and cost-effectiveness. Available from 25 Rands and installed in the most accessible locations including residential estates, shopping centers, petrol stations, and so on. It's no wonder why ECD is the most preferred delivery method. Get more detail on how easy it is to store, send, and collect through the ECD web and mobile apps. So, let's say you are an individual or business want to send a parcel to a person, customer or business and don't have the time, or patience, to wait for the courier to collect the parcel. In that case, you can simply log into the ECD web or mobile app and select your preferred service type. Whether locker to locker or locker to door. The locker to locker service allows you to search and reserve 2 ECD lockers. One for the sender to drop off and the other for the recipient to pick up. On the other hand, the locker to door service only allows you to search and reserve a single ECD locker for the sender to drop off the parcel. And also select a delivery address where the parcel is to be delivered. After selecting and reserving your preferred ECD locker, you will then be able to make an electronic payment to complete the transaction. Both the sender and the recipient will receive SMS and email notification detailing drop-off and pickup information, including the 6-digit secure PIN and QR code used to access the ECD lockers to either insert or retrieve the parcel. ECD is also available for shopping online on our partner e-commerce websites. In this case, you can select an ECD locker as your preferred delivery method directly on the e-commerce website and proceed to search and reserve an ECD locker of your choice. Make an electronic payment and wait for an SMS and email that will notify you that your purchase is ready for collection, or maybe you just need temporary storage that lasts for up to 24 hours to store your luggage. In that case, you can log into the ECD web or mobile app. Search and reserve an ECD locker of your choice. Offload your belongings into the ECD locker and return later to collect or have someone else come and collect your belongings for you. It's that simple. With ECD, you no longer have to wait for long hours to receive a parcel, mail or online purchase from the courier or have to complete paper waybills which you then have to print and stick onto your package. Or worse, wait in a long line at the post office to send or collect a parcel. To access the most cost-effective delivery service in the country, visit the ECD web app on www.easycollectanddrop.com. Or download the ECD mobile app on Apple Store or Google Play, to store, send, and collect. Enjoy your better life with ECD.